Come in. I want to, are we talking to Scott Carpenter?
Mr. President, I hear you, sir.
Oh, well, I wanted to tell you we're relieved and very proud of your trip. I'm glad that you got picked up in good shape. And we want to tell you that we're all for you and send you the very best luck to you and your wife.
Apologies for not having aimed a little bit better on the reentry as I did the people on the ship.
Oh, fine, good. Well, we want to congratulate, and I look forward to seeing you in Washington sometime soon.
Looking forward to that, sir.
Very good. Good luck now, Scott. Bye-bye. We want to express our welcome to Amanda Carpenter and Mrs. Carpenter, the members of the family, and to the Williamses. We're very glad to have them again at the White House. I think that all of us as Americans take the greatest pride and satisfaction in the tremendous technical accomplishments which have made the flights of the astronauts possible. And we take the greatest pride in them and their families. I cannot imagine better representatives of what we like to think our country stands for than the 4 men who've taken part in flight. And it's a source of great satisfaction to me as president at this time in our history that we have these Americans who are so conspicuous on the world stage and who symbolize our country. So we want them to know we're very glad to have them. They've all been unusually fortunate in their wives and in their children, and we want them to know that they have served their country, all of them, in a way which I'm sure for the rest of their lives will be a source of satisfaction to them. So we want you to know that we're glad to see you again.